Hey guys, Nikki here, and I got the perfect summer wig for you guys for my first wig. So if you're interested, let's get into it. Let's hop into the packaging. This is the box right here. My first wig, quality wigs for beginners. There's a bag in here in case you don't want to keep the box, and everything is off inside of this bag. Let's just hop right into it. First, there's the wig. Of course, it's bundled and packaged really nice. So let's go over the specs. This is silky, soft and smooth, 12 inches Indian hair, which will last you between 10 to 15 months. The hair color is natural. The cap size is 1, and this is 130% density. There's wig caps in here. Here's a My First Wig tutorial and information about exchanging your wig and etc. Also in here you will get a bag that you can store stuff in. Off inside of the bag are clips that you can use to clip the hair back while you style it. You get 2 of those in there. Also in there is a rat tooth comb that's branded. I love this comb. It doesn't melt like if you leave the iron or something on it. This is the wig right here in its texture. You have like a curly type texture. This is a bang wig, but it is lace on here. The lace is pre-cut and everything for you already. There are combs in this wig. There are 2 on the side. There's a comb at the back, and you will also get an adjustable strap so you can adjust it to your head, make it tighter or looser or whatever you want to do. You just pull these 2 things right here and clip them. This is how I do it, or you can put them down in the tabs on the wig. So also there's a band, of course, to wear this glueless. It's adjustable. So now that you know about the wig, let's hop straight into the install. So hey guys, I'm going to talk you guys through this one because it's a very simple wig. This is a bang, like a fringe bang bob. Super cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it like it's a lace wig and the bangs are not going to show. So let's get straight to it. So let's just go ahead and put everything in place. Get a feel for how I want everything. Like it literally has bangs. A real like scalp. Let's go ahead and take the clips that they provided us and clip the hair out the way. The lace fits perfect. I don't even have to cut nothing out. That's like a first in history, even. Y'all know this is one of my all-time favorite companies ever. Like they literally can't do no wrong in my eyes. Take my fan and dry it. It's literally cute pinned back like that, huh? If I had like some little clippy thingies. Alright, that's good and dry. If you would like, or I guess I will, even though it's not going to show, put a little makeup on the lace. Okay, so let's take these clips out. And this is a very simple process, guys. So I'm just going to take a wide comb and like try to fluff this a little bit. Like, yeah, let's just go on fluff it, honey. It's a fluff, but it has a layer to it. Let's wet it. Wet the bangs too, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this band so only this part right here can lay a little flat, and I'll be right back. Yeah, the band slipped down. Okay, so let's take it off. Doing some little fluffing up in here. Fluff and shake type vibes. What y'all think? It's a cute little summer vibe, right? Nothing much to it. And guess what? You can skip that whole first step I did and just put it on, because that part is not going to show anyway, right? Right. And that a little more. Alright guys, that's it. That's all. Very simple process, very user-friendly wig. My first wig, that is what they focus on, beginner and easy wigs where you don't have to do a lot of work. Anybody, working individual, entrepreneur, people who can do hair, people who can't do hair can throw this wig on and go, right? So I will leave the direct link below along with more information about the hair and the discount code. Thank you, My First Wig, for sponsoring this video.